In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make invisible objects in Geometry Dash. The first thing that you want to do is to simply highlight all of the objects that you want to turn invisible. In here, click Edit Group, click Next Free, and then click Add. Click OK, and then we want to navigate through this specific category. Click on Alpha. So in my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. And then you simply want to click on the Edit Object. Select number 1 since we have set all of this to number 1 right here, as you can see, number 1. And then you simply want to navigate through this specific button of alpha, and then you just want to place this outside of the color blue. So let me just go ahead and unselect this real quick. So you just want to move the alpha away from the objects that you want to turn invisible. Click Edit Object, and you want to transform the fade time into 0.00. Do the same for the opacity, and from there you will turn your objects invisible. So if I hit on the play button, we will then see that our object is completely invisible, as you can see right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.